kit, primary, secondary, Helix spring for the 2023 Uforce 600. And I'm testing for engagement RPM. Seems to be 23 to 24. It's very smooth. Very nice control. Throttle control is really good. It seems to be really connected to your foot. When you push the throttle, you move the amount you think you should move. And I did notice that with the stock setup. It just seems like this is where it should be. It's very icy night. Here you can see the little bit of snow, and it was muddy today, so now things are froze, and the top surface is icy, so I'm spinning a lot here, and it's a little hard to control in one hand and hold my phone in the other. But we're going to do a high range pull. Ultra impressed. It sort of turned my machine into what I actually hoped it would be before I bought it. And I know I'm probably not breaking my belt in properly, a little too hard on things, but hey, it's mine, so if I break it, I gotta pay for it. So no complaints from the peanut gal.